So it's been 2 months since I've last washed my car. I've been so busy with school, trying to study my butt off and not fail like 2 of my classes. So finally made some time to film a couple car washes today. So today we're in Jefferson, Texas. We're gonna go check out dang it, I was really afraid of that. It's gone. That stinks. It's gone. I drove all this way for that one car wash. Alright, well, back there, that was supposed to be a Adidas i5000, but man, I really have to have such bad luck to run into so many broken, closed, or ripped out car washes. So, anyways, moving on. Now we're down here in Tatum. We're gonna check out their only automatic here. Nothing special. Just a 360, but I haven't filmed I haven't done a proper video on an older one in like almost 2 years, so I guess it's safe to say get caught back up. This is technically Tatum oil and lube. I guess my luck really is that bad. And it's a regular 360. Alright, well, on to Carthage. I was planning to go there anyway. Well, I know they got some stuff I gotta catch up back on too. So, well, plan C, here we go again. Man, I've gotta be the only one who has luck to drop like a stone like that. Anyway, now we're back in Carthage. We're gonna go check out N Roll Carwash now. Wanted to do this place for a while. I have to go on this side, I think so. I know I'm gonna have to fork up a 20, but it is what it is. Yep. 7, 12, 16, and 20. Alrighty. Yeah. Let's see. Well, actually, I'm gonna pay with my card with this one. Nice music here. Say pause for use for wash options.
Please pay with either credit card. Please pay with either credit card or cash.
Okay, I know.
Please pay with either credit card or cash. Please pay with either credit card or cash.
That's enough.
Please pay with either credit card or cash. Please take your receipt.
Car 613. Alright, all windows up. This is a Coleman Hanna tunnel as well, so I get to see what that is like. Relatively short tunnel. Well, here we go. That's a funny looking midder curtain. Seemed like a nice wash. Too bad. Quick tunnel for sure. That was like maybe like a minute and a half or 2 minutes. Probably one of the fastest too. Well, easy in, easy out. That's for sure. Well, all right, yeah. Well, that one was decent. We're gonna go check out the next one here. So thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed, and that'll be it.